Skydio R1 is the most advanced self-flying camera in the sky and allows you to capture stunningly cinematic 4K footage of all of your adventures. Now with the latest update, we've added features to R1 that allow you to capture your hero moments on the lake with even greater confidence. Flying any drone over the water presents some unique challenges. R1 has the ability to safely fly over larger bodies of water and adds additional safeguards to keep itself securely tethered to your phone. Before you take R1 out over the water, first, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Skydio app on your phone and that your R1 is up to date. Check out our support site for more info on updating your R1. Pay attention to the GPS lock icon along the top of the Skydio app. If you see GPS, it indicates that your phone and R1 both have good GPS signal. If you're in an area without a good GPS signal, it's an indicator that it's not currently safe to fly over water. Your R1 uses GPS to automatically return to you if you move too fast or get too far away from it. Once GPS lock has been confirmed, you can launch R1. If launching from a boat, be sure to launch when the boat is not in motion. If you don't have enough room on your boat to launch safely from the deck, you can hand launch your R1. Once R1 is in the air and is following a subject, just keep an eye on the GPS lock icon, as well as your R1 battery level. The Skydio app will tell you that your R1 is getting low on battery, and that it's time to bring R1 back for landing. But it's always best to be situationally aware. At any point, you can stop following by selecting Stop. R1 will hover in place until you select another subject, activate a one-shot skill, or tap Return to Phone. You can also manually fly R1 back to your location using the joystick controls. Tapping the Return to Phone icon within the Skydio app instantly directs R1 to return to your phone's last known GPS location. Usually, this is the quickest way to get R1 back for landing. When over water, be extra careful when landing R1. Always land when you and your boat are not in motion. If there isn't enough room to safely land R1 on the deck, hand landing is an option, but requires extra caution and practice. Check out this link for a short video tutorial on hand landing. Once R1 is back on board, you can use the Skydio app on your phone to export your shareable clips directly to your phone's camera roll, and even stabilize them. Having R1 available to use for your aqua adventures expands your video making capabilities even further. Try it out on your next adventure and share it with us by tagging #Skydio. Don't forget to visit skydio.com/support for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.